Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate buffer for LinkedIn analytics and tagging easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the Buffer website. Log in to your Buffer account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Connections tab. Click on Connections to access your connected profiles. Select Add a new channel. Choose LinkedIn from the list of available social media platforms. You will be prompted to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the Connect LinkedIn Account button. A new window will appear, directing you to LinkedIn for authentication. Log in to your LinkedIn account if prompted. Grant Buffer the necessary permissions to access your LinkedIn data. Review the permissions and click Allow. You will be redirected back to the Buffer dashboard. Here, you will see your LinkedIn account listed as connected. Next, navigate to the Analytics section of Buffer. This is where you'll find data from your LinkedIn posts. To enable tagging for your LinkedIn posts, go to the Settings. Click on Post Settings within the LinkedIn account section. Enable the option to add tags to your posts. You can now create tags relevant to your content. Once set up, you can use these tags for organizing and analyzing your posts. Finally, ensure that your LinkedIn posts are scheduled or published through Buffer to collect analytics. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated Buffer for LinkedIn analytics and tagging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.